We use FleetWave to manage our fleet. At DC Water, we actually have multiple departments that use FleetWave on some level, but we use FleetWave to track the maintenance of our fleet. We also use it to determine when it's time to replace vehicles in our fleet. For me, it's relatively easy to use. Being as though I'm new to fleet and new to FleetWave, I appreciate how easy it is for someone that's new to it to use. We also use it to track time for our employees. We have kiosks on the shop floors where they can clock on and off of work orders. So it actually, it's really nice to have because we can actually see how long it's taking technicians to work on certain tasks. Where if we estimate like 2 hours for a task and they've been on it for 3 hours, then we can, we have the ability to say, wait, that's taking a little too long. Let's check and make sure everyone's okay. So there is a safety aspect in that sense, so it's actually been really good for us. So my company brought me to the event, and it's been great. It's been very informative, it's been very interactive, and I've found a lot of things very useful, particularly as a new user. And then like the sessions where, the breakout session where we it's like a roundtable discussion of sorts. It gave me a lot of perspective because it let me know like my fleet department isn't the only one facing the challenges that we have. It's kind of common across the board. So that's been really, really helpful. But the conference has been great overall. Talking with other people, I see that my fleet is not the only one facing certain challenges. So it's good to know that we're not alone in this. And we've been able to kind of just talk through a few of the challenges and, give each other little tidbits of information on how we can possibly improve. So that's been great. It's very, like I said, it's very informative. It's very helpful to have other people in your field here, particularly for someone like me who's new to this field and to FleetWave. It's been great for me because, like I said, it's helped me become a little more comfortable with my role in this field.